So thank you very much. As you may have seen, LIXON Library has just introduced a new feature, which is about taking attendance. So let me show you in this video, I will demonstrate how to add the classes and to add the students. Okay, so first let's go to LIXON Library. As you see, it's L2. This is the new version. And start. Oh, see, now right here we have classes. So I'm going to click on that and add new locations. Well, my school only has one location, so maybe I'll just write the location code in all capitals. Okay, and then the name, Irinaka Big Bow, because that's the name of my school. And time zone, Asia, and notes, no notes. Okay, add. Okay, and it was added successfully. Okay, so now, just because for my students' privacy, I'm just going to pretend that I'm just have like one class with one student, okay? Which my husband said this library card is for Ichido Suzuki, not that he's a baseball fan or anything like that. Okay, so now we're going to add new classes. Okay, so the class code, let's say we'll make this, if we were Sheryl Crow fans, we would say noon on Tuesday, right? Okay, so this is class code, so we'll say Tuesday 12. Okay, and description. Okay, well let's say, Ichido is a retired baseball player, so this is the retired baseball player class. Okay, retired baseball. Okay, and the location, as we can see, the location is Irinaka Big Bow. Okay, all right, so now I'm going to add the schedules. Okay, so this class is on Tuesday. The start time is noon, so 12. Okay. Okay, and time is also in 24-hour format. Okay, whoops. Oh, doing it again. Okay, so Tuesday and then 12. Okay, and then the end time is 1 o'clock, so that would be 13. Okay, all right, and then add. Okay, so I added that schedule successfully. Okay, so here we have a class on Tuesday at 12 o'clock, ending at 1 o'clock. Okay, so students, okay, so I'm going to add Ichido. Oh, there we have it. There he is, Ichido Suzuki. Add. Okay, now we've added that student. Okay, all right, great. Okay, so now it's time. It's now Ichido's class day, and we're going to mark his attendance. So first I go to the landing page and click on Mark Attendance. So when I mark attendance, you can see that there's his class right there. So click on that class. Now there are two ways that you can mark attendance. You can either have the teacher manually do it, or you can have the student do it with their library card. So if the teacher were to do it manually, see, here's the student, Ichido Suzuki, and I touch that and it shows that he's there, okay? There's also a function too, in case he's doing a makeup lesson and coming to, so add makeup students. So if he was coming to a different class, you know, there's a function for that too. Another way that you can check attendance is for the students to scan their own library card. I think most LIXON Library users will find this function to be the most helpful. So all we have to do is go to, you just set the class to scan library cards. Okay, and then once that's there, whoops, okay, so scan library cards, and then plug in the scanner. And then you just scan the library card. Okay, And so students set successfully, as we can see since we scanned it. Now Ichido is marked present. So now to do a recap, please excuse my reflection in the tablet screen. Okay, so here's the starting page for LIXON Library, and then we start, and here we go up to classes. This is where you can add and see the locations if you have multiple, well, even if you have one location, you still have to upload that one. Here you can add new classes, upload classes, also list attendances, which we will talk about that in another video. When you want to mark attendance, you can go up to the landing page. Landing page, a lot of you are familiar with. That's where you can, borrow the books or return the books. But now also there's the new function of marking attendance. Okay, so here, if on the day of your class, you can go to mark attendance and go here. So remember, either you can do it with a touch of the button if the teacher wants to do it, or if you want to, attach the scanner and do it at the beginning of the class and have the students scan their own library cards so that they can mark themselves present.